We are in a crisis. That's what a top health official is telling school leaders in Dare County as he urges them to mandate masks. He sent an email to the Board of Education warning that area hospitals are filling fast. Dare schools opened last week with no mask mandate in place. Allison Basil shares the doctor's plea.
In an email to Dare County school leaders, Dr. Daniel Dwyer, the Outer Banks Hospital Chief of Staff, says we must make difficult decisions now to save lives. Dwyer is urging them to make masks mandatory in schools. He warns that the neonatal ICU at Vidant Medical Center is full, CHKD is stacking patients, and all beds are taken at the Outer Banks Hospital.
It's an important decision, and you can't underscore that.
The Dare County Board of Education will review school COVID protocols this week. Board member Joe Tauber says in-person instruction is top priority.
What's in the best interest of our students, our parents, our staff?
The Dare County COVID dashboard notes that 319 students are in quarantine as of August 30th. Last week, Currituck County schools sat at 140 in quarantine.
We felt we had to make a tough decision, and it was a tough decision.
Currituck County Board of Education Chair Karen Etheridge says rising quarantine numbers prompted the board to mandate masks during an emergency meeting on Friday. She says policies state any unmasked student identified as a close contact for someone who tests positive must quarantine.
Every student they came in contact with, then that's a 10-day quarantine. We knew exactly where this was headed, and it wasn't headed in a good direction.
Etheridge says the board is keeping their eye on cases.
We don't want them in the virtual classroom setting if we can help it.
The Dare County Board of Education will meet at 5 p.m. on Wednesday. For 13 News Now, I'm Allison Basil.
Dare County and Currituck County students started school last Monday. Currituck County ruled face coverings are not required outdoors during the school day where social distancing can be maintained.